This is the third series of African Wonders, exploring the top 12 attractions across the continent. In our previous series, we explored the top 12 African wonders and the top 12 things that the East African nation of Kenya is famous for. Pack your bags, adventure awaits. South Africa's calling, and here are 12 reasons why you should answer. First up, the breathtaking Table Mountain. This iconic flat-topped mountain offers panoramic views that will leave you speechless. Next, the vibrant city of Cape Town, a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. Don't miss the Big Five in Kruger National Park, a safari experience like no other. Ever heard of Robben Island? It's where Nelson Mandela spent 18 years in prison. Now it's a symbol of freedom and resilience. For wine lovers, the Cape Winelands are a must-visit, offering world-class wines and stunning landscapes. The Garden Route, with its scenic coastlines and lush forests, is perfect for road trips, and let's not forget the Drakensberg Mountains, a hiker's paradise with ancient rock art. Adventure seekers, try shark cage diving in Gansbaai. For a slice of history, visit the cradle of humankind, an archaeological wonder. Finally, soak in the beauty of Blyde River Canyon and experience the rich traditions at a Zulu village. South Africa truly has it all. This is the third series of African Wonders, exploring the top 12 attractions across the continent. In our previous series, we explored the top 12 African wonders and the top 12 things that the East African nation of Kenya is famous for. Be sure to check out our previous content for more fascinating insights. Stay tuned as we continue bringing you similar videos across the African continent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures.